renowned Nigerian gospel film actor and president of Mount Zion Faith Ministries and Mount Zion Television, Mike-Bamiloye, recently shared his thoughts on how the attitude of some pastors' wives are negatively impacting their marriages. The gospel film veteran said this via its X handle, emphasizing that the behavior of some pastors' wives is often a significant factor in the struggles faced by their husbands. Bamiloye highlighted issues such as lack of submission, an overbearing nature, or neglect of spiritual responsibilities as contributing to marital strain. Some women believe that a pastor cannot beat them like unbelievers or divorce them at will. They use the man's calling ministry to blackmail him. Several pastors are not enjoying their marriage but enduring it, Bamiloye said. Recall that Bamiloye had on different occasions addressed married women and their attitude towards their husband via his X platform, formerly known as Twitter. He said, "A woman who chooses to be arrogant, proud, and unsubmissive to her husband, she has broken the commandment of the Lord." Earlier this year, the film producer also said that some pastors' wives are feminists, fighting for equity in their homes and on pulpits. They have weakened the foundation of their husband's ministry and seriously adulterated the sacredness of their marriage. While this has sparked some reactions from social media audiences, we'll continue to keep you informed about current happenings. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.